In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change credit card account number in QuickBooks. We'll walk through the exact place in QuickBooks Online where these changes are made, explain what each click does, and share a few tips so your records stay accurate. Start by opening QuickBooks and signing in to the correct company file. It's important to work in the right company because changes to accounts affect your reporting and reconciliations. Once you're in, look to the left menu and select Accounting. This takes you to the area where all your accounts live and where you can make safe, controlled edits. From here, open the chart of accounts. This is your full list of accounts, assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the credit card account you want to update. Take a moment to verify you've selected the correct account, as edits here will impact how transactions post. On the account you want to change, click the small drop-down arrow in the action column and choose Edit. This opens the account settings. You'll see fields such as the account's name and type, and in many setups, this is also where the account number is stored. Keeping the number consistent with your card issuer's format helps later when you reconcile or match bank feed transactions. Next, click the Account Type field. For a credit card, make sure the account type is set to Credit Card. This classification tells QuickBooks how to treat the account on your balance sheet and how to handle reconciliations, payments, and expense categorization. If it's not set correctly, transactions might appear in the wrong section of your reports. After selecting Credit Card, QuickBooks may ask you to confirm the change. Click Yes to proceed. That confirmation helps prevent accidental edits and ensures you intend to apply the new settings. Once you confirm, QuickBooks applies your changes to the account so future activity flows correctly. A few quick tips while you're here. Confirm you're editing the intended account, especially if you manage multiple cards from the same bank. Check your reports after the change to make sure balances and reconciliations look right. And if the account is connected to online banking, verify the connection continues to match to the correct account after your update. That's it. You've navigated to the chart of accounts, opened the account settings, ensured the account type is credit card, and confirmed the change so your books stay clean and accurate. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along click by click.